Look at this going out on top of the trees across the street. A minute ago, they just had a hawk in the middle of them. Kind of hard to see, but there's a bunch of birds out there swirling around. There they go. They're all going up in that one tree. Cool. How do they know when to turn from each other? Ribbon of birds. Last time I seen anything like that was in Austin, Texas on the Capitol River Bridge. Capitol Street River Bridge. Downtown Austin. In the summer months, the hundreds of thousands of Mexican free-tailed bats. Of course, then, I don't know why I'm talking about a bird. I've got one myself. Hi, Clyde.